You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this ski resort in France, in the French Alps, of course. If you want to learn more names and useful French vocabulary, stay tuned, we have more videos for you. Les Deux Alpes is how it's pronounced in French. Les Deux Alpes. Alright, so let's break it down. Les deux means the two. Deux is French for two. The X is silent. Les Deux Alpes. Alpes is French for the Alps. The S is silent. Now, what happens is that because Alp starts with an A, you make a liaison, so you link up the sound of the last letter, les deux, the X to the A, and it becomes a Z sound. I know it kind of doesn't really make a ton of sense, but that's how French works. So, les deux Alpes, you have a Z sound here because deux has an X at the end, and A, Alp starts with an A, so les deux Alpes is how you pronounce it. Les deux Alpes, you could say, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.